7:35.
Pressure 29.93 inches and falling. Weather conditions across
Alright, we should be going any second now. Yes, that is on time, but the station I have on is 3 hours behind. It's a Pacific time. I don't know why, okay.
41, Lancaster, cloudy 43. Cleveland, drizzles and fog 42. Worcester, fog 40. Mansfield, fog 38. Helpingville, cloudy 41. And Cincinnati, fog.
Alright, they should
In West Virginia, Morgantown, 45 degrees.
Okay, you're on.
Parkersburg, light rain and fog 44. And Charleston, drizzle 44. Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, cloudy and 43 degrees. Beaver, fog.
There we go. Yeah.
Frequency of 162.47 times megahertz. The preceding tone were kept at the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by the storm to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are conducted by
Oh shit, they're already going? Yeah, no, that ain't going off. Oh my god, it went off!
It got it!
Ha! Wait a second. Is that KIG?
I think so.
It is!
This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was the test of the weather radio station KIG.
Yep.
86 Columbus, Ohio.
Okay. Yep, HH went off. Alright, let me get the ER310 out. I got it.
What is that going on? Oh, it's a filter.
Yeah.
Never realized how big those things are. Wow.
They are, they're huge. Okay, there we go.
Green, Hawking, Knox, Lincoln, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union.
This concludes the weekly test of Weather Radio Station KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio. Okay, I'm gonna, real quickly, I'll see if I can get KGY 68. Ha!
Have they been tested by then?
We'll find out here in a second. Oh, when I was at the Ohio State Fair, KGY 68 tested twice.
Nice.
Yeah, I would assume they probably already went.
Yeah.
Alright, now let's pack this all back up. Move here.
By the National Weather Service every Wednesday between warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ, 93 Crydersville, Ohio. Now let's and the lower receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday, between 11 a.m. and the upper 30s. When there is a threat of or existing weather, all hazard area stations will be postponed until the following day. Ohio, the voice of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm on a frequency of 162.400 megahertz and serving West Central Ohio. Weather radios. When there is a threat or extreme severe weather, those receivers will be postponed until the following day. This transmission for the National Weather Service by the radio warning alarm is Wednesday, we're going on at 11:34. Weather season weather on the upper 30s. This is no weather radio. Available good weather. 47 originating from the National Weather Service forecast office, including the cloud supply. Ohio Farmer State, Cloud 47, currently on the control of Monday night. Partly cloudy on the latest weather roads for short watches, but will push across the range. Partly cloud high pressure report number 2 next full car across the grain. Japan pressure will start southeast Marshall, at the outskirts, Noble, parts of Ohio. Wherever today, cloud is the wind northwest 15 miles northwest wind was around 1.9 tonight and located hot. And now the flows of northwest in Ohio ready wind at 10 to 12 miles per hour. And 40 Thanksgiving Day, partly cloudy in the morning and 41 cloudy up at 42. Wind 110 miles per hour, up to 25 miles per hour. Thursday morning, no weather, light rain